Hi, I just wanted to share today. I know life is full of challenges, difficult days, different experiences, but life is sweet, life is good, and we can choose to make it that way. Um, Two methods that work for me are being honest, being truthful with myself and with those around me. So that's one thing I recommend. Um, in dealing with people, always be considerate, always be honest, always be truthful, and you'll find that it just makes life a lot happier. Also, do things that bring you joy. Don't expect people around you to make you happy. You have to make yourself happy. Do the things that bring you joy. Um, some people will complain that, oh, my boyfriend, my girlfriend doesn't buy me flowers, doesn't do this. Get your own flowers. Make yourself happy. In a marriage, it's the same thing. You're two people, but you have to look out for yourself. I know it sounds selfish, but the me first method definitely works, because when you're happy, you can make other people around you happy. But look at people's actions. If you have people in your life who are toxic, who say one thing but do another, that's where you're not having honesty. And it's very draining. And you have to look at people's actions, because people will say, oh, I love you, I want to stay with you, but if they're beating you, they're not acting loving, then you have to look at their actions and you have to make a decision. If it's not making you happy and it's not working, then remove yourself from that situation. And always just seek happiness in others and making others happy and making yourself happy. Thank you.